Waldner Cup, amazing tournament. This is the first edition of Waldner Cup. It was a great success. Follow the event on waldnercup.com.
Doesn't miss by table tennis karma. 2 points for Bernie, tough to tell. In Chen earlier this year. Beautiful spin on the line. Not afraid to take a chance here as Bernie arcs that. Watch the arc on this top spin. Cautious shot there to stay in position. Beautiful backhand and one more on the reach. That's the first one she could really power. Chen Meng, 11-8. I probably don't have to convince you if you've been watching this program, no doubt about it, these fights are real. Chen Meng takes game number 1 after being down 1-5 in the first towel break. Wins 7 points in a row. Parallel forehand, regains space at the table. And that last one, open shoulders to the deep backhand corner. Tough to predict. But it's game 2 here. Power from the middle.
Bien!
Little chole from Adriana. Evolved over time. 0 serving 3. Chen Meng returns the net ball. Last game. Oh, double happiness. Net and edge.
5-0.
Ay-ya. That backhand is so nice. Point to win. Racket. Power for the finish. The forehand putting it on, turning up the heat. 2-point ball game, and it's the second towel break. Bernie spins ball up. Bernie keeps the lead and extends it to 3. All these backhands from Bernie constantly changing. 6 serving 8. Oh, power on this. Free-flowing confidence. And the wrist, it's a timeout here for Team World. Coach Adriana Diaz, thumbs up to you, Bloody. Oh, tight serve. Oh, there it is. Quick combination. Ooh, this is the one. That's the serve. It's subtle. Chen Meng takes it by 2 points, 2-0. Nobody comes in front of Chen Meng, not today. Undefeated number 1, Chen Meng, 11-8. I probably don't have to convince you if you've been watching this program, no doubt about it, these fights are real. Chen Meng takes game number 1 after being down points in a row. Parallel forehand, regained space at the table. And that last one, open shoulders to the deep backhand corner. Tough to predict. Too hot to handle, too cold to hold. Waldner Cup. It's 11-8. Chen Meng, one game ahead of Bernadette.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.